This video is an introduction to Vanguard Create. Vanguard Create is a message designing software for Hx Nitro printer that can be installed in any Windows-based operating devices. The software provides easy and user-friendly ability for Hx Nitro users or operators to design and create messages. Vanguard Create has four main tabs: Home, Insert Message tab, Print Parameters, and Directional Parameters tab. And default panels. Under the Home tab, you will find basic functions such as New to create a new canvas, Open icon to open saved messages in your device, Save icon, Save as, and Preview function to show the design, message, ink volume, and approximate number of print based on your message and print parameters. After the basic functions, you can also find the communication channel setting in the Home tab. These channels are used when you are going to send the design message to the printer. The three channels include USB port, RS-232 connection, and direct network or Wi-Fi communication. Other settings found in the Home tab are Grid Line View, Size Adjustment and Format, and the Hx setting where you can access Hx Manager directly. Under the Insert tab are the message designing icons. You can click on the kind of message you require and design it on your canvas. This includes creating simple text, counter, both in batch or online, time and data, external data, lot number, you can create up to 9 sources, shift, image, you can import vector image or logo, and barcodes. The Print Parameter tab. This tab provides functionalities that allows operators to adjust print parameter based on their production line requirement. This includes delay before print, the delay time in seconds after the sensor detects the product before printing, print speed, adjusting the speed based on the production line requirement, quantity, the number of prints per sensor signal, quantity delay, delay in seconds per print per sensor signal, width and bold adjustment, encoder, activating and deactivating shaft encoder. This is by default inactive. And lastly, to adjust print resolution. The direction parameters. This provides other essential parameters for the message such as mirror, invert, rotate, auto repeat, and adjustment on the vertical ratio. Vanguard Create also has default panels on the side of the canvas that provide certain functionality including sending message, canvas width, synchronize button to allow printer fonts and logos to sync with Vanguard Create, and other basic functions. For more information, please contact technical@maplejet.com.